subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video. So today I'm back again with my monthly instant lock maintenance where I get a wash and retwist only. I no longer get styles because of the deformities that styles can cause, as well as causing locks to break off, and this is how I maintain my thicker locks. This doesn't mean that I won't ever get a lock style. It just means for right now, I'm giving my locks time to grow, harden, and mature so that by the time I decide to get a lock style, my locks will be strong enough to handle it. Deformities in the locks only occur when your hair is not locked yet or if your locks are still soft and not hardened or mature. So if you have mature locks, then you have nothing to worry about. Okay, so some of you always leave comments asking how often do I get a retwist. So I get a retwist every 2 months. I used to go every 4 months, but that was just way too long. My hair grows way too fast and it's gotten too long to go 4 months without a retwist. So when I would wait 4 months, it started to cause my new growth at my roots to become very matted and a little harder to separate. So every 4 months used to work when my hair was a bit shorter, but then I quickly realized that every 2 months worked best. Now, another thing I realized is that some of you watch my videos for inspiration or to see if you really want locks. So comment down below, what is stopping you from getting locks? Do you think they're messy or hard to upkeep? Like, what are some assumptions you have about locks? And maybe I can help clear those up for you guys. And if your reason for not wanting locks is because you like to switch up your hairstyle, then also comment down below so I can better explain to you the versatility of locks and how they won't limit your styles. But on the other hand, getting instant locks was the best decision I ever made. And I say this all the time, so y'all probably tired of hearing me say it, but I mean it. It saves me a lot of time because for the most part, if I got somewhere to be, all I have to do is snatch off my bonnet and go. Only if I have a fresh retwist though. It also saves me a lot of money because I only have to pay for a retwist every other month. It saves me pain because I no longer have to detangle my hair because I used to be tender-headed, y'all, but I'm so glad those days are over. And I get to experience the best of both worlds because I get to have long hair without the high maintenance plus easy length retention. So basically, I don't experience shedding or split ends, so I get to keep all of my hair in my head. And basically, it's growing way faster than my loose natural hair did. Like, can y'all believe I've had instant locks for 3 years and my hair is almost as long as my natural hair was, and I was natural for 7 years. Locks are really the cheat code to longer hair. So if y'all need help being convinced to get locks, make sure y'all comment down below so we can have a little chit chat. But as you can see, your girl hair is pretty much done, and now I'm about to go ahead and get under the dryer. But y'all take a look at my grid. Remember I told y'all I was doing my grid a little different because at the time I didn't have my locks attached, but already my hair is looking so good. Okay y'all, so my hair is all done and it looks so cute. But y'all see what I'm talking about? Like when I say my locks are super thick and they're starting to just be the same size from like not really the root, because the root is always thinner, but you know, towards the root to end it looks thick. That is because I'm straying away from hairstyles right now, but I'll definitely try styles in the future. What's up, y'all? So I'm back in the car from getting my hair done. As you can see, now I'm about to head to the nail salon to get my eyebrows done because they need it like super bad. So I will check in with y'all when I get there.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I step in.
We in the bag and we bug in the D.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the D. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like it all. She gets down just like it all. That run the blood, she not so shy. So you know that bitch bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
Y'all, so I just got out of the nail salon and I got my eyebrows done, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, they always do them too thin. I don't really like it, but I just fill it in, but they look okay. But I also just left, let me show y'all. So I also just left Cinnaholic. They have these super good gourmet cinnamon rolls, y'all, and it says they were also featured on Shark Tank. It says it somewhere, yeah, on Shark Tank. So let me show y'all what it looked like. So this might be too much for a lot of y'all, but it's cake batter icing. I usually get it with like fruit, like apples and strawberries and blueberries on top, but this time I just wanted the regular icing. But y'all, this is like the best cinnamon roll I've ever had. All right, y'all, I was trying to set y'all up, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a good angle because it keeps falling. So I'm gonna just end it right here. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, follow your girl on all social medias. Link down in the description box below at Sha-Deana on all platforms. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video.